Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. This is where you'll access the tools needed to create and manage your invoice layout. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next step. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This area contains many of the account customization options, including the form style settings used for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. From the Settings menu, select Custom Form Styles. This opens the section where QuickBooks stores your existing templates and gives you the option to create new ones. If you already have templates in place, you'll see them listed here. Next, click New Style. This tells QuickBooks that you want to create a new form design rather than edit an existing one. After selecting that option, choose Invoice. Since invoice templates control how your invoices appear to customers, this is the form type you'll want for this setup. You'll now be taken into the invoice customization screen. Start by selecting Design and Customize. This section is where you can adjust the overall visual appearance of the invoice. Depending on your preferences, this may include layout and branding related elements. Take a moment here to review the available design options so the invoice matches the style you want your business to present. After that, click Content and Customize. In this area, you can fine-tune what information appears on the invoice and how it is arranged. This is especially useful if you want the document to feel cleaner, more detailed, or easier for customers to read. It's a good idea to review each section carefully so your invoice includes the details you actually want shown. Then, click Emails and Customize. This part allows you to adjust the email-related settings connected to the invoice template. Since invoices are often sent directly from QuickBooks, customizing this section helps create a more polished and consistent experience when your customer receives the message along with the invoice. When you've finished reviewing and updating the template, click Done to save your changes. Your custom invoice template will then be available for use in QuickBooks Online. That's it. You've successfully created a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Taking a few minutes to personalize your invoice style can make your documents look more professional and help keep your customer communication consistent.